How to make a falling platform in Roblox Studio. Create a part. Use anchor. Name the part Falling. Group as folder. Name it FallingPlatforms. Add a script to server script service. Writing the script. This script makes platforms fall and fade when a player steps on them, then smoothly return to their original position after a short delay. Getting tween service. Adjustable values. How far the platform falls. Delay after stepping on the platform. How long before the platform comes back. How long each tween animation takes. Finds the folder that contains all falling platforms. Ensures the script doesn't run before the folder exists. Goes through every object in the folder. Only allows physical parts named falling to use this system. Stores the original position so the platform can return later. Is active prevents the platform from being triggered multiple times at once. Detect when a player steps on the platform. Stops the script if the platform is already falling. Makes sure only players can activate it. Locks the platform into an active state. Waits briefly before the platform starts falling. Create fall and fade out tweens. Starts both tweens simultaneously. Waits until the falling motion finishes before continuing. Disable collision and wait before reset. Lets the player fall through the platform. Waits before restoring the platform. Create rise and fade in tweens. Makes the platform solid and allows it to be triggered by players again. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.